Hey everyone, welcome to today's English lesson, English at the Birthday Party. Let's enjoy a fun conversation between a host and a guest. Ready? Let's begin.
Hi, happy birthday!
Thank you so much. I'm glad you came.
Of course, I wouldn't miss it.
Please come in.
Wow, the decorations look amazing.
Thanks. I worked hard on them.
I can tell. Everything looks beautiful.
Make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
Did you bring a gift?
Yes, I did. Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
I hope you like it.
I'm sure I will.
How old are you turning today?
I'm turning 30.
That's a great age.
I hope so.
Are your family and friends here?
Yes, most of them.
Nice.
Would you like something to drink?
Sure, what do you have?
Juice, soda, or coffee?
I'll take juice.
Here you go.
Thank you.
How was the traffic?
Not too bad.
That's good.
The weather is nice today.
Yeah, perfect for a party.
Are you excited?
Very excited.
You look happy.
I am.
You deserve it. Who made the cake?
My sister made it.
Really? It looks delicious.
She's a great baker.
What flavor is it?
Chocolate.
My favorite.
Good.
Are we going to play games?
Yes, later.
Sounds fun.
We also have music and dancing.
Awesome.
Do you like dancing?
A little.
Don't worry. It's just for fun.
Okay.
Is it okay if I open your gift now?
Yes, go ahead.
Wow, this is beautiful.
I'm glad you like it.
I love it.
I thought it would be perfect for you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Do you want to join the group for a game?
Sure. What game?
Charades.
Oh, that's fun.
Great. Let's join them.
Okay.
Your turn.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, I'll try.
You're doing great.
Thanks.
That was funny.
I tried my best.
You made everyone laugh.
Mission accomplished.
Are you hungry?
A little.
We have snacks on the table.
What kind of snacks?
Sandwiches, chips, and fruit.
Nice.
Help yourself.
Thank you.
How was the food?
Really good.
I'm glad.
Who cooked everything?
My mom and I.
You did a great job.
Thank you. I'm going to give a short speech.
Oh, I want to hear it.
Okay, here goes.
Thank you all for being here today.
Your presence means a lot to me.
I'm grateful for your love and support.
I hope this year brings happiness and growth for all of us.
That was beautiful.
Thank you.
Very heartfelt.
I meant every word. It's cake time.
Yay!
Would you help me?
Sure.
1, 2, 3.
Cut the cake.
Here we go.
Happy birthday again.
Thank you.
The cake smells amazing.
Would you like a slice?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
It's delicious.
I'm glad you like it.
How do you feel about turning 30?
Honestly, excited.
Really?
Yes, I feel more confident now.
That's great.
I want to focus on new goals this year.
Like what?
Traveling more, maybe starting the new project.
That sounds amazing.
What about you?
I want to work on my English.
You're already doing great.
Thank you.
Keep practicing.
I will. I should go home now.
Already?
Yes, it's getting late.
I understand.
I had a great time.
I'm really happy you came.
The party was amazing.
Thank you.
And the cake was perfect.
I'll tell my sister.
Please do.
Have a safe trip home.
Thank you.
Take care.
You too. Happy birthday once again.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy the rest of your night.
I will.
And enjoy your new year of life.
Thank you. That's very sweet.
Bye.
Bye.
See you soon.
Yes, see you.
Have fun with your friends.
I will.
Take care.
You too.
Good night.
Good night.
It was a lovely party.
I'm glad you were a part of it.